Today I'm actually going to be reviewing the James Charles times Morphe palette. And first of all, I just want to say, like, congratulations to James. Like, I know he's been like coming up from since like 17, so I just want to say, like, congratulations to him. But yeah, I'm actually going to be reviewing his palette today and be trying to do a look from it. So yeah,
I can't wait.
So as you can see, I already have my brows done. Yeah, they're kind of like, you can probably see the concealer, but are you guys ready to sister slay, sister stupefy, sister stuff on your face? Like, let's get right into it. Okay, so I have my arm.
What the fuck?
And my ashy elbow. Let's just cover that up. As you can see, there's no product on my arm, nothing there. So I'm going to take a few colors from the palette and I'm gonna swatch them on my arm. I'm gonna take the colors that I usually have problems with, such as yellows and reds and not really pinks, but I'm gonna try that little pink in the corner there, and some greens. So let's try this yellow down here. So yeah, I always have problems with yellow. That's actually great on my skin. I usually have like yellows never show on me, so that's really good. Let's try swatching it one more time to see how it comes up. Oh yeah, so that's really good on my arm. That's really bright, really pigmented. I actually like that. So the next color we're actually gonna go into is going to be the red color in the palette with my middle finger. Ooh, that's really bright. I think I swatched that kind of wrong. We're gonna try that again, but that still came out really great. So there we go. I'm loving this. This is sister super amazing. The next color I'm gonna go into is Playground. That is this blue right here. I'm gonna take that with my ring finger and swatch it on my arm. So, boom. I usually never, ooh, I like that. I usually never have problems with the blues in palettes, but this is really good. So I'm gonna swatch that twice. I'm gonna go back this way. That's really good. Ooh, that's like kind of electric.
It's electric.
I like it. The next color I'm gonna go into that everybody keeps complaining about is Skip. So everybody, like, I've heard like that's the bright pink color. That's the last color in the palette. I've heard like different like reviews and stuff on it. A lot of people like it, and then there's like people who don't. Regular. That always happens. But I love Morphe product. I believe like this is gonna be popping, so let's try this. Swatch the other way. Look at that. That looks popping as hell. Okay, that looks really great. So now we're actually gonna try to do a look with this palette. I'm gonna actually go ahead and prime my lids with concealer, and then we're actually gonna try to do a look today with this palette. Okay, now that my brows are prepped and primed, we can get into this look. So you already know me. I'm about to put yellow as my transition shade. So yeah, first things first, using my transition shade. Second shade I'm going to go into is going to be Playground. That's going to be the light blue shade in the palette. Well, it's not even light blue. It's like royal-ish. It's just blue. Regular blue. And I'm going to go in to my lid with that. I'm gonna take that same brush that I had the yellow on, and I'm gonna blend that in, blend it out, blend the blue out, blend the yellow. I'm gonna blend the blue and the yellow together. All right, so the next color I'm gonna go into is gonna be Acapella. That's the darker blue in the palette, and I'm gonna put that into my crease. So far though, I can say this palette is popping. Do you see them colors? Like, it's really like showing, like, hello, like now I'm going to cut the crease. So I'm going to be using my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Classic Ivory. For my lid color, I'm gonna go into that yellow, and I'm gonna pack that onto the lid. And then I'm going to be taking the green shade that's in the palette, and I'm gonna blend that in with the blue and the yellow. I'm gonna take the darker green. All right, looking like a little toucan Sam.
I don't think so.
My eyes are looking colorful, and that is the goal. All right, now that I have all my lashes and everything's done, I can get straight into doing my foundation and finishing the look. All right, guys, I'm just gonna speed through past my concealer and foundation routine because that's not what we're here for. We're here to see about the eyeshadow. Okay guys, so my final review on the James Charles x Morphe palette is that this palette is bomb. Like, it's really good. Like, look at the colors on my eyes. Like, I don't know if you can see that. The only thing is that they're hard to blend, and I think that's because they're pressed pigments. So it's literally like pigments just pressed together and like good for you to use and stuff. Like, other than that, like opposed to eyeshadow. But other than that, like, this palette is really good. I like it. I'm so happy like James did this, like created a palette that's like this good. So yeah, like it's really good. I really like it, and I think I might just continue to use this whenever I need pigments now, because the yellow, as you can see, like I've always had trouble with yellows on my eyes. The yellow pops. Like, look at this, pop. So I really think like it's worth buying. If you are thinking about buying it, it was worth my $40. So that's good. I do recommend for people. Not beginner friendly though, because you do have to know how to control using the pigments on your eyes, but definitely a buy. Like, you have to, I recommend you buy this. So yeah guys, that's the end of my video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment. Just let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to see more looks with this palette. Yeah, I'm out. Later. Yeah, bye. Toodles.